Alright guys, so we washed 3.3 kilos of clothes for only about €1, 23,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is the cheapest wash I ever did anywhere in the world. Because normally, internationally, right, especially in Asia, you spend about €1 per kilo. That's like the going rate in Thailand, in Laos, in Vietnam. But here, look at this. €1 gets you 3.3 kilos.
Good packaging, right?
Yeah, they fold it nicely.
Smells from outside.
Smells good. Wow. And seriously, like we gave them the huge bag, but they folded it so small and tiny that they gave us back this really concise, like just small package. Irem still doesn't believe that all our clothes are in there. I think half of them were just like thrown away or something, but this is it, I feel. It's pretty good. If you're about to travel, you can wash them here for €1 and then they fit in your bag easier. It's the best way to do it, I think. So I know what you guys are wondering, where can you wash your clothes for so cheap? Well, we're now in Kuta, Bali, and this is a really chill city. I feel the good vibes. They have international food everywhere. The beach is beautiful. It's high season, which means it's a little bit busy, but also it means it doesn't rain, and the weather is just perfect. It's not even too warm. It's just like that sweet spot of 25, 28 degrees every day, and in the evening it goes down to 20, so you can sleep like a baby. And well, we're loving it. This is our 4th day in Kuta. We're staying in a beautiful place. I'm going to show you guys. And well, let's say that I have no complaints about the city, other than that the traffic can be a bit wild, because as you see, they don't really have any way for pedestrians to walk, right? It's just one road and everyone shares it. But if a car or a lot of motorbikes are driving here, it doesn't feel too good to be a pedestrian, right? Because you don't get all the space you might want, you might need. Other than that, it's good, and it's early morning now, so I'm not really feeling it now, but you probably get the idea. Look, temples everywhere, Bali style, right? They also have temples on the roof. There's so much to see. Good street art, surfing, of course, because Kuta is the surfing spot in Bali. But they have really good waves here, so if you love surfing, you can come here. Also, they give surfing classes about anywhere in Kuta. If you just walk around for 5 minutes, someone will offer you surfing classes. So this is the place to go if you're into that. So we're staying in this tiny back street. They have this beautiful temple right here, and then they have another one up there. It's like entering an oasis of peace, coming to this homestay. And our room is amazing. Look, our room is right in front, behind those plants, right in front of the pool. We got our little terrace here where we drink coffee, and then I'll show you guys the room, because it's absolutely value for money. Alright, look at this, guys. 2 beds, one to put all your shit on and then the other one to sleep, and then a huge mirror, which is also good. Bathroom is okay, no hot water, but in Bali you don't really get hot water unless you pay a lot of money. You need to go to the very fancy hotels, but other hotels don't have hot water. You don't really need it in Bali. And then, well, we got of course the pool area right here, which is just incredible. You can do some sun tanning there. They have a nice wall carving there. The pool is nice and clean. Me and Iram did some swimming last night. It was good. And then all of this is just 8 euros per night, which is 4 euros per person. This is ridiculous. Super cheap. Yes, thank you. So we're having breakfast, but this is not Indonesian food. It's Greek because you know we're in Bali. And in Bali, you can find more international food than Indonesian food. We will try Indonesian food, just not today, because today is Monday, and they got the Monday special, which is a pizza kebab for only about 2 euros. Pretty good deal. Look at the place. Look at how gorgeous this is. It's in the style of Santorini, and it's right next to the road. This road leads to our hotel. It's like 1 minute walk. So we gotta try this. Yesterday we had pizza and an Australian burger. Oh wow. Tzatziki sauce, and the taste is actually Greek.
Another?
Delicious meat. Let's do a check. Let's see how much meat you can get in a Greek place for 2 euros. I am impressed, to be honest, if you get rid of the potatoes, right?
Do that to me.
This is a lot of meat. I even argue that it's cheaper when you're in Bali. It's cheaper to eat international food because you get more value. If you get like a nasi goreng here, you pay around the same price, but you get like 3 pieces of chicken. Here you get, it's so good, right? Here you get like the full bread filled with chicken. Countless pieces. So, big tip, international food in Bali. Alright, fast forward a few days. Now, this is the Greek restaurant that I just showed you. But we found a better restaurant, even cheaper and with better food. It's not Greek, but it has a little bit of everything. It has Indonesian food, it has Western food, and I'm excited to show you guys because I think this is a diamond in the dust.
Be careful, yeah, this is very hot. Don't touch it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Looks good. This is the chicken breast corner blur.
Oh,
Chicken breast. Inside you can see ham.
it has ham inside?
Yeah.
Wow,
They
pretty
stuff
good.
it. Then they put this amazing sauce all over it. Outside is super crunchy. This is real legit amazing food. Tuna with oyster sauce. Look at that.
It's pretty good. They give you like one slide of tuna. It's like huge actually. And the sauce is amazing with garlic.
Yeah,
I like it.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
And they give you as extra, normally in Asia, I never saw that they give like extra this big of salad. And also with a nice rice. So basically you're kind of eating homemade food.
Yeah, it tastes a bit
Just
like
making me
homemade
happy,
food.
yeah.
And this one is also 35, the same price as the corner blur. So let's say 2 euros. Alright, so of course I'm gonna show you way more restaurants around Kuta because we extended for like 10 days more and we already stayed for 10 days. So we know the restaurants around. And we're gonna explore more restaurants as well. I'm gonna show you guys. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.